Ride Shine Detailing, welcome to a new Ride My Vlog. In this video we're going to protect something different. Not a car, but this very nice Trek bike. It's a Trek Madone that I'm the lucky owner of because I'm a cycling enthusiast and I also train the youth at my local cycling club. And in this video we're going to combine two worlds, the worlds of car detailing and bikes, because you have to protect your bike if you want to keep it in a mint condition. But before we're going to coat the bike with the ProTeam hydro coating, we're going to look at the assembly of the Trek Madone. It's done by Fabian from Bicycle, one of the best bike mechanics in the Netherlands. So this was the assembly of the bike, and now we're going to the part of coating the bike, and therefore I invited Ron Lute. He's a former car detailer, he knows everything about how to protect your bike. Okay Ron, explain us something about the coatings.
Well, the coating, the bicycle coating that I had designed for me by a leading German coating company. The main difference is that this coating will stick to all surfaces, all hard surfaces on your bicycle. It's not a coating designed for your chain. That's the only part of the bicycle that we're not coating. A chain you have to oil or wax. It is what it is.
Yeah, as you can see, we also protected the chain. You can see that when we're going to coat the bike.
Yes, indeed. We're protecting our cloths and materials from the grease of the chain. The coating that I have can be applied in two different ways. You can do it yourself. It's a do-it-yourself product as well. If you're not comfortable with that, we have a network of over 90 shops and bike detailers who are at the moment working with my products in the Netherlands and Belgium. Okay. So the network is growing very, very, very fast at the moment.
90 is quite a lot.
Yeah. So you can do it yourself. We're going to have a look at the products later, but these applicators, cotton applicators, you can use to apply the coating to the bicycle. As a professional, we use an airbrush system. You can understand why. We can get in every nook and cranny and get a complete coverage of the bicycle, the spokes as well, the hubs, etc., etc. So I'll walk you through the products. Now, as I already explained, we have two different lines of products. One that are consumer based. So these are consumer kits. This is the big kit, the can, which holds everything possibly imaginable that you have to use when applying the coating. So degreaser, maintenance, shampoo, the coating itself, applicators, gloves and microfiber cloths. Now if you already have those basic materials, you can also choose for the basic kit. The basic kit contains degreaser, coating, applicators. This is what you basically need to apply the coating to your bike. Now for the professional users, and normally we use about 15 milliliters to coat a bicycle. For the professional users or bicycle shops, whatever, we have a Pro package, which is a larger volume of products, 2 times 50 milliliters of coating. So you can do about 7 to 8 bicycles with this package. And this is aimed at, again, at cycle shops, at cycle clubs, people who want to coat multiple bicycles and then with an airbrush, for example, or with the applicators. That's always the choice.
Well, let's go and coat the bike.
Because we're working with an airbrush, we're going to be using masks to cover our lungs.
Yeah.
If you're applying it with the applicators, you just have to work in a well ventilated area. That's enough. So that's not a problem. With an airbrush, always wear a mask.
Yeah, always use your safety precautions very carefully. So Ron, thank you for training me on coating this beautiful cycle, this bicycle, and well, from now on, you know, people can not only bring their cars here, but also the bicycle, because a lot of the owners also ride their bikes, and well, I can just coat them. So,
yeah.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations,
Yeah.
you've passed the exam, so that's very good.
Yeah. Well, if you want to see more videos, you can do that over here, and if you want to subscribe to our channel, you can do that over here. Please drop your questions below the video. Also for Ron, I can ask Ron the questions, he can answer them for me, or he can just, you know, follow YouTube also,
Yep.
and he can answer the questions. So, see you guys next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.